welcome to my channel Tarot Reading with Shaista. Taurus, hi. This is going to be a reading for you from October the 19th to the 26th of October 2020. I shall be taking a look at your recent past, your current energies and your immediate future today. I will then close the reading off by pulling out an oracle card for you as a message for you from the universe. Alright. The decks I'm going to be using today, the oracle deck I'm using today is a Psychic Tarot Oracle deck, and that's by John Holland. The tarot deck I'm using today is the Angel Wisdom Tarot deck, my new favorite of late, I have noticed. This is by Radleigh Valentine. Alright, okay. Now, what I want you to understand, and please remember, is that these are general readings, so they may not always resonate with all of you. These could be for you, your person or the situation, or just simply vice versa energies if you're cross reading for someone. All right, for cross listeners. But if you want to know more, you want to do a personal reading with me, please feel free to email me. I have mentioned my email address in the description box below, so you can always contact me for your personal readings and more inquiries. All right, Taurus. Let's see what's happening for Taurus. Taurus, 19th to the 26th of October. Taurus. Alright, so Taurus, what I see for you as an overall card for your reading today, the overall energy for your reading is the need to move on with the Eight of Cups. I see that you want to move on, seeking more from life than probably what you're experiencing currently. I see something like a spiritual quest. Some of you are probably taking this as some of you. I also see some major choices or life changes that you're having to choose from. I see a change in priorities perhaps, or leaving home for some of you. All right, I see that. Basically moving on, in short. All right, let's see why and where that's coming from. When I look at your recent past, Taurus, I see the Star, I see the Eight of Swords, and I see the Three of Swords. Something happened in the past which has kind of given you that sadness or that heartbreak and disappointment. Let's see what it was. I see that there was, you had a lot of faith in something. You had plans for the future, perhaps some dreams that you wanted to make come true. And Taurus, maybe these were positive changes that were coming, to an end, and there were some challenging times that you went through, and you did see that light in the end of the tunnel, and you were working towards that light in the past. I see that it was just an illusion. You actually thought things will change, things will get better, perhaps in your relationship. I see this as a relationship kind of a reading so far. I see that that was what you hoped for with the Star card, but that was just an illusion. It was just an illusion. You were basically, constantly entrapped in that illusion. I see that you kind of lost your self-confidence back there. That made you kind of feel very helpless. I feel that you, were afraid to take any steps or any actions, and you were not in a position to take responsibility for your life. And you should have, all right, at that point in time. And this kind of resulted in a lot of sadness that kind of will eventually heal, but you were very badly hurt. I feel that, you have moved on from there since. I do see that there was personal growth that came out from those challenges. I do see that those misunderstandings healed. I wouldn't say healed, you kind of overcame those obstacles perhaps, or those misunderstandings. And you were there for your children, perhaps some of you were there for people who were dependent on in you, in the time of those needs. So though you went through that, you kind of held your strength together only because probably you had people depending on you, Taurus. All right, deep. Looking at your current situation, I see the Strength card, I see the Six of Pentacles, and I see a transformation. Some of you were dealing with a Leo. Definitely I see the presence of a fire sign. And this person kind of, in the current situation, I see has been your pillar of strength, perhaps giving you that personal power, giving you back that assertiveness that you used to have. And they have taught you how to put yourself there, though, by being kind, but still put your thoughts and portraying, your assertiveness forward, compassion that you've kind of forgotten about. They have taught you how to forgive, forget, made you realize that you're stronger than you actually know. So these people, someone has given you that support, all right? This looks like a new energy somehow for me. And I also feel that they have showered you with a lot of affection, given you whatever was needed, got that generous side of you, or wanting to help people, has brought that humanitarian side of you alive. Okay, and what I see, what you're doing currently also, I see that you're doing a lot of charity, perhaps some of you. The good that you're doing will come back to you for sure. I see unexpected inflow of abundance, borrowing wisely, paying off. I see a lot of influx of money coming into you, Taurus. Definitely I see that. And I see you not just keeping it for yourself, I see you sharing this wealth with others who are less fortunate. I see some of you doing a lot of charity right now. And I overall see a lot of transformation in your personality as such. I see a significant life experience that requires changes. Something has taught you, your lesson, which has made you this person, made you more humanitarian, more charitable perhaps. I see that, powerful and often unexpected revelations actually kind of come to us, and they kind of change the way we perceive things and look at things. And I see you're going through that transformation. I see breaking free of that typical procrastination, assumptions, and how you lived in the past, that negativity. I see that you've broken those, broken that, and you moved away from that, and you have kind of forgotten, or you've released those old belief systems that you probably stood for in the past, and you've kind of changed. I see an overall change currently happening for you. And going forward, I see you spending a lot of time in meditation perhaps, and solitude, spending time on your own, seeking out self, basically looking within, doing a lot of self-discovery, seeking out or becoming like a spiritual mentor perhaps. I see you going into your shell only to heal, hibernate to only heal. All right, I see that happening. I see that you will start listening to your intuition. You will start paying attention to signs which are coming to you from the above. You will get a little more spiritual. You will worry about silly things which you shouldn't be. You should let go of those fears that you've had. I see the revelations that will make things clear to you. So whatever you will learn in the future, because of probably your meditation or perhaps of your self-healing, there'll be a lot of revelations that will be made to you, or which you will kind of face or see, which will help you kind of clarify and give you the closure that you probably needed from the past. I see that happening for you. I also see that you will move forward with someone who is very trustworthy, honorable, devoted, unlike what it was in the past for you. Someone who you can rely on and trust. I see that. I also see a situation that is very safe. So in this relationship you are considering, or this person you're considering, it's a very safe kind of a space you're going to be in. It's going to be a solid romantic relationship, hidden but well-intentioned emotions, right? Maybe somebody who's very mature, who probably is not all showy and doing crazy things or dancing around trees for you, but somebody who's there, who's devoted, who's sincere, and their feelings towards you. And I see that you will find solace in them. They will be like your counselors, someone you look up to, your mentors. They are going to play a very significant role, and somehow I feel it could be another earth sign, or it could be a fire sign. All right, it could be a Virgo, or it could more or less, I see it being more of a fire sign for you. Maybe a Leo, Aries, or a Saggy. I see that happening for you, Taurus. Someone you can really rely on. And I think because of which you will be ready to, probably that's why you got this card, ready to move on, seeking more, out of life. I see that happening for you. And your priorities will change completely. This person will help you change for the better. All right, I do see a lot of transformation happening for you right now in your present as well. All right, let's see what I see for you, Taurus. Let's see what the universe has to say for you, for Taurus. For Taurus, from the 19th to the 26th of October. What's the message from the universe? Absolutely, I see that happening for you. Prosperity, firm foundations, a very strong relationship going forward. You will see prosperity. It'll all start for you. I see new beginnings. I see firm foundations. I see a lot of, it took you a lot of sacrifice to get what you have. So I see a lot of that. I see fertility. Some of you probably will even hear some good news. I see you prospering in terms of probably somebody taking on to motherhood, perhaps some of you moving into, maybe doing something which will bring you a lot of financial gain. So I see good times for you, Taurus, on the whole. I see you definitely happier and more content in this new relationship. All right, so that's what I see for you. All right then, Taurus, I see you next week. That's all I have for you now. Goodbye.